Hi, hello, this is PGR. You're watching PGR's Indian Recipes. Rasam. Rasam is a South Indian delight, usually a vegetarian delight. To make it more interesting for meat lovers, today we're going to prepare a non-vegetarian rasam. Now, the ingredient that I'm going to use is going to be an oxtail stock. Let's get into the video to prepare an oxtail rasam.
I've taken 5 tomatoes medium size, coriander stems. I've not taken the coriander leaf, coriander stems handful, garlic 20 to 25 pods. These garlics are smaller in size. Lemon juice 2 teaspoon, chili powder 1 teaspoon, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon mustard, 1 teaspoon cumin seed, 1 teaspoon pepper, 3 to 4 red chilies and 1 strip curry leaves. 1 bowl of oxtail soup. For this oxtail soup, I have taken half a kilogram of oxtail, 3 portions of water and 1 teaspoon of turmeric and salt to taste. I put it in a pressure cooker for 4 to 5 whistles. We have grated and smashed the tomatoes into a fine paste. Now we are adding the chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, salt to taste, we are pounding the pepper and cumin seed, and adding the pepper powder to the tomatoes mixture. We're pounding the coriander stems, add it to the tomato mixture. Mix the mixture well, or you can smash it using your hands so that it blends well with the other ingredients. We're going to pound the garlic pods. It's pounded, and I'm going to move it to a different container. I've taken a medium pot, put it on a stove, lighting up the stove. I'm using 50 ml of refined oil. You can simmer the stove at this point of time because we're gonna roast the ingredients. Once the oil is hot, add the mustard seeds. The red chili and the curry leaves. Add the garlic. Roast it a little bit. Once the garlic is roasted, add the tomato paste that we made earlier. Allow it to cook. Now once the tomato is cooked, add the oxtail soup that you extracted earlier. Once it has come to a boil, add extra water, that is half a cup or half a bowl of water. At this point of time, just taste the salt. Salt is less, so we are going to add some more salt to it. Once it's come to a boil, we will switch off the stove. Now add the lemon juice to the rasam.
Oxtail Rasam is ready. In case you missed out the ingredients for this video, please do find the ingredients in the description below. Hope you love my video. Please like, share and subscribe my videos. Thank you for watching.